Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you are doing great. Right now, millions of people are worried about one thing. Will AI take my job? But here's something most people are missing. While millions are panicking, a small group of people is quietly getting very, very rich. Not despite AI, but because of AI. You see headlines like Goldman Sachs saying AI could impact up to 300 million jobs globally. And naturally, it creates fear. But that's only half the story. Because the same shift that is replacing jobs is also creating some of the highest paying opportunities we have ever seen. And the people who understand this early are not just surviving, they are leading, scaling, and building wealth faster than ever before. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI proof careers that are making people rich in 2026. These are not just safe jobs. These are high income opportunities where AI actually increases your value.
And stay till the end because the fifth one is something most people completely ignore. This is part of the Wealth AI series where we focus on turning artificial intelligence into income, skills, and long term wealth. So if you are serious, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's begin.
The first AI proof career, creating a new generation of high earners, is the AI empowered healthcare professional, specifically roles like nurse practitioners and physician assistants. Now, you might think healthcare is already human centric, and you'd be right. But here's the twist: these roles are becoming so lucrative because of how they are integrating AI, not in spite of it. While there's a lot of talk about AI diagnosing diseases, the reality is much more interesting. AI is becoming an incredible assistant, but it can't replace the core of what these professionals do. So, why is this career a gold mine in the age of AI? It's because these jobs are built on a foundation of empathy, complex communication, and holistic judgment.
An AI can analyze a million medical scans and find a pattern, but it can sit with a patient who just received a terrifying diagnosis and build the trust they need. It can't read the subtle cues from a family member to understand what's really going on at home. It can't calm a frightened child or motivate a discouraged adult to make a critical lifestyle change. This is where the value is. As AI handles routine data analysis like preliminary chart, reviews, or flagging standard abnormalities on an X ray, it frees up nurse practitioners and physician assistants to spend more time on high value human interaction. Their job is elevated from data processor to true health strategist. This makes them more effective, helps them achieve better patient outcomes, and makes them exponentially more valuable to the healthcare system. The data backs this up with staggering numbers. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) projects that employment for nurse practitioners will grow by a meteoric 38% to 45% between now and 2033. That is worlds faster than the average for all other occupations and a clear signal of overwhelming demand. Let's talk income. For nurse practitioners, the BLS reports a median annual salary of around $129,210. But that's just the median. Those in high demand specialties like psychiatric mental health, where empathy is everything, can earn between $140,000 and $200,000. NPs in cardiology and acute care can command salaries well into the $130,000 to $175,000 range. For physician assistants, the story is just as compelling. The BLS notes their median salary is around $133,260. But again, that's just the middle. Job growth is projected at a whopping 20 to 27% over the next decade, which is many times the national average. Picture what this looks like in 2026. A physician assistant walks into an exam room. An AI has already analyzed the patient's symptoms, cross referenced their medical history, and generated a list of potential diagnoses. The PA doesn't waste 20 minutes just gathering raw data. Instead, they immediately start asking deeper questions, focusing on the patient's tone of voice, their stress levels, the rich, unstructured human data that AI can't touch. They use the AI's output as a starting point for a deeper investigation, applying their human experience to arrive at a diagnosis that is both data driven and deeply personal. They are the human interface for a powerful machine, and that combination is what makes them indispensable and incredibly well paid.
The second AI proof career that's quietly making people rich might seem counterintuitive. It's not happening in a shiny Silicon Valley office. It's happening on construction sites, in our homes, and inside our nation's infrastructure. It's the high tech master tradesperson. For years, we've been told a 4 year degree is the only path to a good living. Meanwhile, the very people who build and maintain our physical world have been overlooked. The great irony is that as AI automates away many white collar knowledge jobs, the demand for skilled physical expertise is absolutely exploding. The reason is simple: AI doesn't have a body. It can't exist in the messy, unpredictable physical world.
An AI can design a flawless electrical schematic for a smart home, but it can't pull wires through a 100-year-old wall with unexpected pipes in the way. A robot can be programmed for a repetitive task on an assembly line, but it can't troubleshoot a unique HVAC failure in a commercial building during a heat wave. This is where the high tech master tradesperson thrives. I'm not just talking about a general handyman, I'm talking about specialized electricians, advanced plumbers, and sophisticated HVAC technicians who have mastered the physical world and are also fluent in the new technologies getting integrated into it. Think about the specialized electricians certified to install EV charging stations, solar panel arrays, and smart home battery backup systems. This isn't just connecting wires, it's understanding complex, interconnected systems at the heart of the green energy transition. The AI boom itself is even creating a massive need for this work, with countless electricians needed to build out the new data centers and power infrastructure that AI runs on. These jobs are incredibly AI proof because they demand a combination of skills that can't be automated: physical problem solving in unique environments, on site judgment calls, and a deep understanding of how physical components, wires, pipes interact with digital ones, sensors, software. Now, let's talk money, because this is where the old story about the poor tradesperson completely falls apart. Many of these careers don't require a college degree, they rely on paid apprenticeships where you earn while you learn without accumulating a mountain of student debt. An experienced master electrician who owns their own business can easily clear a six-figure income. And highly specialized trades like elevator installers have a median salary of over $100,000. While salaries vary by specialty and location, the path to a high income is crystal clear. You aren't just an employee, you are a critical, irreplaceable asset. Let's paint the picture for 2026. A homeowner wants a fully integrated smart home. The AI can generate a parts list, the homeowner can order them online. But who makes it all work? The master electrician. She arrives and immediately sees the AI's plan won't work because of the home's old framing. She reroutes the wiring, programs the smart thermostat to talk to the automated blinds, and ensures the whole system is safe and up to code. She is the bridge between the digital dream and the physical reality. And for that highly specialized hands on skill, she commands a premium.
If you're already seeing how focusing on the right skills, the human skills, the physical skills, is the key to not just surviving but thriving, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We are going deep on real world strategies to build wealth in the age of AI every single week, and you don't want to miss what's next. The third career is one that barely existed 5 years ago, but is now one of the most in demand, high paying fields in the corporate world. It's the AI governance specialist or AI ethicist. This career is the ultimate example of turning a major problem into a profession. It exists because, as powerful as AI is, it's also incredibly risky. AI models can be biased, they can hallucinate false information, they can leak sensitive data, and they can make decisions with massive legal and financial fallout. Companies are terrified of these risks and they are willing to pay a fortune to the people who can manage them. This job is by its very nature 100% AI proof. Why? Because you can't ask an AI to regulate itself. That's like asking the fox to guard the henhouse. This role requires quintessentially human skills: ethical judgment, navigating complex laws, and stakeholder communication. An AI doesn't have morals.
It can't grasp fairness. An AI governance specialist has to translate complex technical risks into plain English for executives, lawyers, and regulators, ensuring the company stays out of trouble. And this isn't some theoretical academic job, it's a critical business function, and the salaries show it. Data from 2026 shows the average salary for an AI governance role is already around $141,000 a year, with top earners hitting $170,000 and beyond. Other analyses show that mid level roles have a median salary of over $158,000. At the senior level, the potential is massive, with some AI ethicist roles reportedly earning between $210,000 and $361,000. What's really exciting is that this field is a golden opportunity for career pivoters. You don't have to be a machine learning engineer. Companies are desperately hiring people with backgrounds in law, policy, compliance, and even philosophy because they need that existing expertise to guide their AI strategy. Let's visualize. It's 2026 and a major bank wants to deploy a new AI to approve mortgage applications. The AI governance specialist leads the high stakes meeting. She looks at the data scientists, the lawyers, the product managers, and the VPs and asks the hard questions. What data was this model trained on? How do we know it isn't biased? How do we explain to a customer in plain English why they were denied? What's our kill switch if this thing goes rogue? She's not just checking a box, she's building the constitution for the bank's AI, protecting the company from disaster and building trust with its customers. That's a multi-million-dollar value proposition.
Our fourth AI proof career isn't a new job title, but an old one that technology has supercharged: the strategic operations leader. Think operations managers, general managers, and high level project managers. There's a huge myth that AI is coming for managers' jobs. The reality is, it's coming for the worst parts of their jobs, freeing up the best leaders to become more strategic and more valuable than ever. For decades, managers have been buried in low value administrative sludge, pulling data for reports, tracking budgets in spreadsheets, and chasing people for status updates. This is exactly the kind of work that AI is brilliant at automating. So, what happens when you free a manager from that drudgery? Their role elevates. They stop being administrators and become true leaders.
Their work shifts to focus on the high level human skills AI can't touch, setting a creative vision, mentoring their team, and building relationships with key clients and partners. AI acts as an intelligence amplifier, giving them better data, faster insights, and more time to focus on what matters. This is why, as companies get more automated, the demand for skilled human leaders is actually going up. The pay reflects this amplified value. The average salary for a strategy operations manager in the US is already around $124,000, with many roles extending well past $157,000. Senior level positions, especially in tech forward industries, can easily command compensation packages from $194,000 to over $326,000. Let's see it in action. Imagine a director of operations at a logistics company in 2026. 5 years ago, she would have spent Monday morning manually pulling reports from 5 different systems to figure out last week's performance. Now she walks in, and an AI dashboard has already analyzed everything. It's flagged 3 underperforming routes and even identified the likely causes, road construction, and a recurring delay at a specific warehouse. She wastes zero time on data collection. Instead, she spends her morning on the phone with the warehouse manager brainstorming solutions. Then she holds a coaching session with a new team lead. In the afternoon, she meets with the tech team to discuss a new AI powered optimization tool that could save the company millions. The AI didn't replace her, it turned her from a report puller into a strategic problem solver, mentor, and innovator. It made her a millionaire maker for the company, and she's paid accordingly.
We've arrived at career number 5, the one I promised would probably surprise you. It's not in tech, finance, or healthcare, it's out in the field. The fifth AI proof career, creating a new wave of wealth, is the Agri-tech manager or agricultural scientist. When most people think of farming, they picture a simple, low tech life. That image is dangerously out of date. Today's modern farm is a high tech, data driven operation, and the people running it are sophisticated managers blending deep scientific knowledge with cutting edge technology. This career is profoundly AI proof because it's tied to the complex, chaotic, and unpredictable reality of the natural world. An AI can analyze satellite imagery to predict crop yields. It can process data from soil sensors to recommend irrigation levels. It can even operate a self driving tractor. But an AI cannot walk into a field and feel the texture of the soil to diagnose a nutrient deficiency that sensors missed. It can't identify a brand new invasive pest it's never seen before. It can't adapt a harvest strategy on the fly because of a sudden hailstorm. Agriculture is not a predictable digital system, it's a complex biological one. The agri-tech manager thrives at this intersection of biology and technology. They use AI as a powerful tool for analysis, but they combine its insights with their own hard won experience and scientific judgment. With a growing global population and the challenges of climate change, the world needs to produce more food more sustainably than ever before. This is driving huge investment in agri-tech and a massive demand for people with these hybrid skills. The income is finally catching up to the importance of the work.
The US Bureau of Labor Statistics shows the median wage for agricultural and food scientists was about $78,770, with the top 10% earning over $140,000. But that's just one path. An experienced agricultural manager running a large commercial farm is effectively the CEO of a multi-million-dollar enterprise. BLS data shows the median for farm managers is around $87,980, with the top 10% earning over $156,530. In high value agricultural states like California, experienced managers can command even higher salaries. Picture this manager in 2026. Her day starts in a control room that looks like something out of NASA. She's reviewing AI analyzed data from drones that flew over her 1,000-acre farm at dawn. The system has flagged a section of corn showing signs of stress. The AI suggests a nitrogen deficiency, but she doesn't just take the AI's word for it. She drives out to that exact spot and pulls a soil sample. She looks at the leaves, the roots, the surrounding weeds, and using her years of experience, she realizes it's not a simple nitrogen issue, it's a rare fungal blight the AI trained on more common diseases completely missed. She immediately changes the treatment plan, saving a huge portion of the crop. In that moment, she wasn't competing with AI. She was using it, correcting it, and augmenting it with her irreplaceable human wisdom. She is a steward of the land and a master of technology, and in the world of 2026, that combination is pure gold.
So there you have it, the AI empowered healthcare professional, the high tech master tradesperson, the AI governance specialist, the strategic operations leader, and the agri tech manager. What do all five of these lucrative AI proof careers have in common? It's the pivot from competing with AI to leveraging it. It's the realization that the skills that make us most human, our empathy, our judgment, our creativity, and our ability to navigate the physical world, are not becoming obsolete. In the age of AI, they are becoming our greatest economic asset. The fear mongering is easy to sell, but the story of opportunity is the one that will actually build your future. The choice isn't between being a coder or being replaced. The choice is about figuring out where your human ingenuity adds the most value and doubling down on those skills. AI is a tool.
It's the most powerful tool ever created, but like any tool, its value is determined by the master craftsman who wields it. Your job is to become that craftsman. Stop worrying about being replaced by the machine and start focusing on how you can become the person who directs it. That is the path to becoming not just AI proof, but AI enriched. If you want to know the specific skills to start building today for these careers, I break it all down in this video right here. Click it and let's keep building.
If you want to learn how to use AI to build income, develop high income skills, and create long term wealth, this is just the beginning. This is Wealth AI. Make sure you subscribe and tell me in the comments which of these careers surprised you the most, because that one insight can change your direction. The future does not belong to AI, it belongs to the people who know how to use it. Start today, build consistently, and grow with AI.